in the stories we tell about our planet. The circular economy has emerged as a beacon of hope, a model built on rethinking waste and resource use. But hope alone isn't enough. As the world edges closer to environmental tipping points, the question isn't just how we sustain, but how we transform. What does a truly regenerative circular economy look like? And how can we make it a reality? Welcome to Academia World News. Today, we're diving into the next chapter of the circular economy, a shift beyond sustainability into systems that heal, regenerate, and reimagine success. The circular economy began with the basics, reducing waste, extending product lifespans, and recycling what we could. These ideas were groundbreaking, but incremental. Today, the stakes are higher. Recycling alone won't solve a growing climate crisis or address resource scarcity on a global scale. A new kind of thinking is emerging: circular ecosystems. Circular ecosystems redefine collaboration. They connect industries across boundaries, transforming waste from one sector into raw materials for another. It's a shift from isolated solutions to an interconnected web of regeneration. Technology is the engine of this transformation. Blockchain ensures transparency, allowing companies to track a product's life cycle from raw material to reuse. Artificial intelligence optimizes resource flows, predicting where materials can be reused before they're wasted. And automation scales these ideas, turning concepts into reality at unprecedented speeds. Cities around the world are leading the charge. From Amsterdam's circular innovation labs to emerging hubs in Nairobi and Bogota, these places are proving that large-scale circularity isn't just possible. It's profitable, efficient, and transformative. For decades, sustainability was the goal: minimizing harm, doing less damage. But the next chapter in the circular economy asks a bold question. Can we do better? Can we regenerate the resources we take, rebuild the ecosystems we've harmed, and measure success not by profit alone, but by the health of our planet and its people? Regenerative systems see no trade-off between growth and restoration. They ensure that as businesses thrive, so do ecosystems and communities. Companies are rethinking their metrics, shifting from quarterly profits to long-term contributions to biodiversity, clean water, and resilience. This future isn't just about technology, it's about collaboration. Governments, corporations, and communities must work hand in hand to create policies, scale innovations, and ensure equitable access to resources. The circular economy is global by nature, and its success depends on partnerships that transcend borders and sectors. These partnerships accelerate progress, ensure accountability, and make the principles of circularity universal. Together, we can make regenerative systems the default, not the exception. This is the next chapter of the circular economy. It's not just about sustaining the world we have, it's about building the world we dream of. A world where prosperity and regeneration go hand in hand, and where every choice we make leads to a brighter future. Your voice matters in shaping this future. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to Academia World News for more transformative ideas. Together, let's write the next chapter of the circular economy.